Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Imagine your friend wants to find a bank or a store or a restaurant and you want to give the direction for the same. How will you do that? Today you will learn how to give directions in Finnish. We will take a close look at direction words suunta sanat. Pohjoinen, north, etelä, south, itä, east, länsi, west, vasen, left, oikea, right, suoraan, straight, eteenpäin, ahead, taaksepäin, backward, ylös, up, alas, down, yläpuolella, above, alapuolella, below, päällä, on. Now we will look at location and position words. Sijainti ja asema sanat. Sijainti means location. Asema means position. Edessä, in front of. Takana, behind. Vieressä, next to. Välissä, between. Lähellä, near. Kaukana, far. I have explained these prepositions with the help of pictorial representation. So in the first picture, the red ball is in front of grey ball. Edessä. In the second picture, red ball is behind the grey ball. Takana. In the third picture, the red ball is next to grey ball. Vieressä. In the fourth picture, the red ball is between two grey balls. Välissä. In the fifth picture, two balls are near to each other. Lähellä. In the fifth picture, two balls are far from each other. Kaukana. Now we will understand more about location using this neighborhood chart. Imagine there are two streets. Ensimmäinen, first street, toinen, second street, and A, B, C, D, E are houses. Now to say house A is next to house B, in Finnish we would say talo A on talo B:n vieressä. To say house A is across from house C, in Finnish we would say talo A on talo C:tä vastapäätä. To say house B is between A and D, in Finnish we would say talo B on A:n ja D:n välillä. To say D is on the corner of first and second street, in Finnish we would say D on ensimmäisen ja toisen kadun kulmassa. Katu means street. And to say E is around the corner on the next street, in Finnish we would say E on kulman takana seuraavalla kadulla. In this video we will learn how to give directions in Finnish. Tien neuvominen. Mene suoraan eteenpäin. Go straight ahead. Käänny vasemmalle. Turn left. It comes from the verb kääntää. Käänny oikealle. Turn right. Kulmassa. At the corner. Kulman takana. Around the corner. Mene takaisin. Go back. Seuraa tätä tietä. Follow this route. Seuraa means follow. Jatka eteenpäin. Continue forward. Mene pitkin tietä. Go along the road. Mene tuonne päin. Go that way. Ota ensimmäinen liittymä liikenneympyrästä. Take the first exit at the roundabout. Liittymä means exit and liikenneympyrä means roundabout. Now we will look at some more example sentences. Se on hotellin vieressä. It is next to the hotel. Apteekki on pankin vieressä. The pharmacy is next to the bank. Se on aseman edessä. It is in front of the station. Postilaatikko on pankin edessä. The mailbox is in the front of the bank. Se on rakennuksen takana. It is behind the building. Pankki on hotellin takana. The bank is behind the hotel. Se on pankin ja postin välissä. It is between the bank and the post office. Se on puistoa vastapäätä. It is across from the park. Pankki on hotellia vastapäätä. The bank is across the road from the hotel. Kotiini on kirkon lähellä. My home is close to the church. Aja suoraan eteenpäin. Drive straight ahead. Seuraa tietä risteyksen asti. Follow the road up to the crossroad or intersection. Käänny oikealle kotikadulle. Turn right onto kotikatu. Käänny oikealle uimahallin jälkeen. Turn right after the swimming hall. This was all about directions, sunnat in Finnish. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.